Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make flan cake without egg. We will explore the magic of plant-based ingredients that perfectly mimic the rich, creamy texture of traditional flan. You'll learn to select the right substitutes and combine them for a truly delightful dessert. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring your egg-free flan cake is a resounding success, ready to impress everyone. For an egg-free flan, cornstarch or agar-agar are your best friends, acting as the primary setting agents. For example, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch can replace 1 large egg in many recipes. Combine these with a rich plant-based milk, like full-fat coconut milk, for that signature creamy consistency. Don't forget your preferred sweetener and a generous splash of vanilla extract to round out the flavors beautifully. First, create your luscious caramel by gently melting about 1/2 cup of sugar in a saucepan until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Carefully pour this into your baking dish. Next, whisk together your plant milk, sweetener, and chosen setting agent until completely smooth. Pour this mixture over the cooled caramel. Bake your flan in a water bath at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 60 minutes, ensuring a gentle, even cook. Once baked, let your flan cool down at room temperature for about 1 hour. This initial cooling prevents cracking. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to ensure it sets perfectly firm. When ready to serve, gently run a thin knife around the edge of the dish. Place your serving plate on top, and with a quick, confident flip, unmold your beautiful, creamy, egg-free flan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.